Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add volume slider on the taskbar of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Taskbar Volume Control, and you will see a different website. So I will highly recommend to visit to the developer website. Just click on the second website, which is the developer website. Now on the right side, you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see one .zip file. So you need to download this .zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here the application Taskbar. So just double click on it. Now you can see on the left bottom corner one volume slider is showing up. So you can see here. So you can increase or decrease just by sliding from here, and even you can move it and place it on which area of the taskbar you want to add, whether in the left side, right side, or anywhere. And even you can mute it by directly clicking on this icon and just right mouse click on it. Now you will see here you can reset the position. You can show media controls also. So you can see here if you want to play music and control the music player also, there is an option, and you can hide this volume slider, and the last one is exit. So by using this cool application, you can easily add volume slider on the taskbar of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.